Hello my friends, today I would like to show you how I will change air filters here. There is an air conditioner inside of my car, Tesla Model Y 2023. I bought this set. Here is the two filters and it's very cheap, about 17 euros in Finland from one side, and there is written that it's very good quality, but it's very cheap for Finland. And I will wash here also this, I don't know how is it in English, I have for air conditioner special cleaner. I bought, it was price 10 or 11 euros. And now first of all I need to remove this panel here, and here is one screw, Torx 20, and one clip here. I think so, you can see it. I need to remove it, and after I will show you how I will do it. Of course you can see in our guides for this work, but I will show you my work now.
So now our place here, it's hard.
For it I have special tools. Okay, it's done. Yes, but our thing is there, but we can now check, maybe it will go. Okay, so well, we have here speaker and light. Now I need to remove it. Light is here. Here is a little hole, and you need to press here, and after you can remove this thing. Simple. And now I need to understand how to do it also. Maybe here is the same thing. I have not special tools for it, and I make it this place, and I used my pencil for it. I pushed here in this place, you can see it here. I pushed the pencil, and after I removed this cable here. It was very hard to remove this panel. I tried, but not so simple to do it. And now we have here a place where is our filters stay. Now I will remove filters here. I don't know what condition of these filters. I drive about 44,000 kilometers, and it's first time when I will change my filters. Well, I think they are like brand new filters. Maybe we not need to remove it, because I cannot see here any kind of
Dirty or something like that. Maybe I will put it back after our cleaning.
maybe something here inside, but not so bad. Now I need to push there my foam for cleaning. I have a bottle. I shaked it now a little bit more, and after I will put there foam. I will show you. I have this and this. Well, now I will show you what's happened inside. You can see what is there. For all I check with my camera. Oh, that's good. Now, what is there now? Look, guys, it's foam. I need to push it on the up, on the top of this. Foam is now in outside. Now is half hour gone and we can see what is here now. What is inside? I need to understand what is there. Is it ready or not? Now I cleaned my air filters and now I will insert it to the back to the own place. Now is first. I will show you how I do it. You need to put it down back and you need to find the right place there. Up, now it's in the own place, right? We need to check airflow arrow here. Okay, first of all, yes, correct. And now another. I will. So, and of course I saw different videos about it, so now I knew how to do it. Okay, and well, now I installed filters back. I think I will use them more, maybe more 1 year, because they are the clear. The next, it's this part of Tesla. Okay, and here is lock. Now it's ready. Good. And now we will install this panel. Now I will install this panel back. Right now all is ready. This is good. And now this panel back with cables. I'll show you it. It will go to this place. It's connected, and another will go to this place. Yes, all is good. light is work, and I guess speaker also. Now we need to put it back. How it's work now, I don't know. Here is it. Yes. Okay. Put it here. Something wrong. I think so. No. There is one. Yes. And here is right. So, and now just two things we need. One is this, better. And now I put here this thing. Yes. Okay. And now just one screw here we need to put. Third. Okay, correctly. Now I will find my tool for it.